Do you know that most people will never achieve financial freedom? And it's not because they are not intelligent enough or hardworking enough, not at all. It's because they're thinking about money completely wrong. So stop trying to get rich. Focus on improving yourself instead, because when you grow, when you expand your knowledge, sharpen your skills and elevate your thinking, wealth becomes a natural byproduct. Success isn't something you hand down. It's what shows up when you commit to mastering yourself. Now, after years of studying the wealthy, moving in the circles and building my own financial success, I can tell you with certainty, the rich don't think like everyone else. And once you understand the difference, you can never go back. So today I'm sharing 7 most powerful mindset shifts that will completely rewire the way you see wealth and, more importantly, how you attract it. So stay with me until the very end, because what I'm about to share, this is what separates the top 1% from the rest of the world. Now, let's be real. The wealthy don't just buy things, they buy assets. What is an asset? It's something that puts money into your pocket, whether you work for it or not. Real estate, dividend-paying stocks, businesses, these are true wealth-building tools. Meanwhile, the average person spends money on liabilities, things that look luxurious but secretly drain their finances. Think of the woman financing a brand new Mercedes but struggling with monthly payments, or the person who maxes out their credit cards on designer handbags instead of securing investments that grow in value. Now, take a look at how the wealthy operate. Instead of buying a designer handbag first, they buy shares in the luxury fashion houses that sell them. LVMH, Hermes or Richemont. Instead of endlessly upgrading to the latest iPhone, they invest in Apple stock and benefit from spending habits of others. A perfect example, look at Kylie Jenner. She didn't just buy beauty products, she built a beauty empire. Instead of being a consumer, she became the owner. That's the mind shift you need to make. Shift from a consumer mindset to an ownership mindset, because the real power isn't in how much you spend, it's in how much you control. Here's something fascinating. The wealthy never say, I can't afford it. Instead, they ask, how can I afford it? The difference, one mindset shuts down possibilities while the other opens doors. Let me give you an example. Say you come across an exclusive networking event that could change your career. The average person sees the ticket price and immediately thinks, oh, that's too expensive. Meanwhile, the elite ask, how can I make this investment work for me? Maybe they find a way to budget for it, negotiate a sponsorship, or leverage the connection they gain to generate a return. You must stop seeing price tags as stop signs. Instead, start viewing money as a tool that works for you. When you present it with an opportunity, don't let the cost to scare you away. Ask yourself whether it will generate a return. If yes, the next step is figuring out how to make it happen. The average person dismisses opportunities because they think small. The elite take bold action, knowing that financial growth requires strategic investment. So from now on, eliminate limiting language from your vocabulary, raise your standards, and set goals so ambitious they give you shivers. You need to understand this simple thing. True wealth isn't about working hard, it's about working smarter. The rich understand that money should work for them, not the other way around. Think about it. The average person earns money, pays bills, and repeats the cycle endlessly. But the wealthy, they create passive income streams so the money continues flowing into their accounts, whether they're traveling, sleeping, or enjoying life. A classic example, look at real estate investors. They buy properties that generate rental income month after month. Or consider digital entrepreneurs who create online courses and ebooks that sell on autopilot. Even royalty payments from best-selling books and hit songs are a form of passive income. If you're not making money online while you sleep, you'll always be stuck in the rat race. The solution, start investing. Start building income streams beyond your paycheck. For more, check this playlist right here. Money is not scarce. It's constantly circulating. Right now, billions are being transacted across the globe. The question is, are you tapping into that flow, or are you stuck believing that wealth is only for other people? The ultra-wealthy know there is no fixed amount of money in the world. Opportunities are endless, but only if you open yourself up to them. Scarcity thinking keeps you playing small. Abundant thinking allows you to receive more wealth. A perfect example, when Jeff Bezos started Amazon, he didn't think, oh, the bookstore market is already taken. He saw an opportunity in e-commerce that no one else dared to take. Today, he's one of the richest men in the world. So start acting as if money is flowing toward you, not away from you, and then take actions that align with that belief. The rich don't chase quick wins. They build wealth with patience. The average person is addicted to instant gratification, constantly buying things for short-term pleasure. The elite, they know that a real success comes from long-term strategy. Take Warren Buffett, for instance. He didn't become a billionaire by gambling on trends. He invested in solid businesses, held onto them for decades, and let compounding do the work. This is why so many people fall for get-rich-quick schemes. They want results now, without putting in the work or building a solid foundation first. But wealth isn't built overnight. It's built through smart, consistent moves over time. So if you want real financial success, start prioritizing long-term wins over short-term indulgences. Wealthy individuals don't sit in analysis paralysis. They make informed decisions and then take action. They trust themselves. The wealthy figure things out along the way. The average person, however, hesitates, waits for the perfect moment, and ultimately never moves forward. But here is the truth. The perfect moment does not exist. Success comes to those who take action before they feel fully ready. So stop overthinking and start making moves. Nothing great comes without risk. But the difference between the ultra-rich and the average person is that they take calculated risks, not reckless ones. Too many people fear investing because they think it's too risky. But do you know what's even riskier? Staying stagnant, relying on one income source and never making your money work for you. If you had invested just $1,000 in Amazon in 1997, it would be worth millions today. The wealthy understand that uncertainty is the part of the game, but they educate themselves and make informed decisions. That's how they win. Now, here's the truth. Most people will watch this video and do nothing. They'll go back to the old habits and stay stuck. But I encourage you to be different. Decide right now what is one mindset shift from this list that you're going to implement immediately. Let me know in the comments down below. And if you're serious about building real wealth, make sure to subscribe, as I'll be sharing more content on financial success and making money online, because financial freedom is not just for the 1%, it's for everyone who dares. To learn more on how to build passive income, click on this video right here.